But let me introduce you what we're going to do next. So the mentalist, obviously, I don't have to introduce this guy. This person has been amazed by magic since childhood, and he has learned as a hobby after he moved here to Austin, this whole magic tricks and things like that. And he has learned from professional and the best magicians in the US. And his inspiration is none other than your support and motivation. Okay, let's go straight to Shine. I think he's all set.
Hello guys, can you hear me? Can you see me? Okay, good, awesome. So what we will do is, can you all see my laptop here? Sorry, iPad here?
Yeah.
Okay. So Ganga, it's very important that you focus and do exactly what I ask you to do.
Okay.
Okay. So I will be sending something, but before that, this is about your dream vacation. Okay. I know that you have not been traveling this year, and I doubt whether you'll be able to travel rest of the year. But assume that the pandemic is over at some point in time in near future. Then just think about in your mind. Don't say it. Just think about few places where you want to go. Assume that Abhay has unlimited access to his funds, and you don't have any restrictions. So where would you like to go for a vacation? So just think about that in your mind. Don't say it aloud.
Okay. So I have to think only at one vacation, or like I can think about multiple?
Means one vacation. If you want to go, what are the few places that you will choose from?
Okay.
And meanwhile, I will send you a photo, but you think about it. Ganga Abhay. Okay, you have few places in your mind?
Yes.
Okay, now let it be there. I already sent you one photo. Don't show it to anyone. Just open that photo on your phone. Just focus in the photo for 3 seconds like this. Okay. Now you can keep it away. Now I will show you something here which everybody can also see. I will show you 3 photos on the screen. So when I will show each photo about 2 seconds. Okay. Just look at it as if you are just seeing any photo on the web. Okay. Nothing in particular, no order. Just look at the photo, just the way you will look at when you see some photo on the web. Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Can you see?
Yeah.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Ganga, very important. Now, I don't want you to think about anything else. So now you have seen one photo that I sent you privately, and then you have seen 3 other photos. So now I want you to close your eyes for a few seconds, and I will count. And when I ask you to close your eyes, please close your eyes. And then in your mind, whatever city comes to your mind. And when I ask you to open your eyes, just open your eyes and then say that city aloud.
Okay.
Okay. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Close your eyes.
I already closed it.
Okay. Now, whatever city that comes to your mind now, open your eyes and just say it aloud so that everybody can hear it.
Paris.
Paris? Good, very good. So you want to go to Paris?
Yeah.
Whenever this pandemic is over. And Abhay will be thrilled, I think. He will be looking for money, selling some stocks.
I don't have
expediting some trades. So Ganga, let me ask you something.
He'll sell all his vegetables and then he'll have to go.
You can sell, yeah. Now I think the has already started for that. So Ganga, tell me one thing. Why did you choose Paris? Why did you choose Paris?
Actually, when I saw, like, when you were showing the images,
Huh?
that time, I don't know, like something clicked in my mind. And then, I don't know, it's that Paris stuck in my mind actually.
Okay. So it is like, that
No,
is
that's
the,
scary.
when you closed your eyes, that's the name that came into your mind.
Yes,
That's
yes.
the place I want to go.
Mhm,
Because you remember, if you recap, initially you thought about some places
mhm,
when I asked you to just think about where you want to go. So some few names came into your mind.
mhm.
Then I showed you a series of photos, and then finally I asked you to close your eyes again and just think about whatever that comes to your mind, just say it aloud. So that is how Paris came,
Yeah.
right? Okay.
Mhm,
So now, so if you look at it, right, this photo was here the entire time. I did not touch it. That
mhm,
screen was on. That photo was already always on. Nobody did it. So yesterday, when we were talking about this event while I was planning, so what I did was I took a whiteboard
mhm.
and then I wrote a city's name on the board and I took
Okay.
the photo. And that is a photo you are seeing. I covered the portion where you are seeing the city name on purpose
Okay.
because I didn't want to see it till now. So now I'm going
Okay.
to slowly remove it. Okay.
Okay. Uh-huh.
And you would have seen this photo was here the entire time. I did not even touch it. This
Mhm.
iPad, I'm going to remove this. Can you see?
Uh-huh.
Can you see what? I think it's light reflection. I will move it. See, I'm slowly bringing it close. I'm not doing anything else. Do you see?
OMG, Shine.
Oh my God! Woo!
How did that happen?
Wow, Shine, that's awesome.
Oh my
That's
That's
God!
awesome.
And this is what I had taken yesterday.
Now it's the story is done.
See, not only that, I knew that you may think that I didn't take that photo yesterday, or somehow I influenced you today. So what I did was, when I took that photo, I also took a printout of that, and then I kept it inside in my wallet, and it is, you can see that it is zipped. Okay, so I'll open it. I will come bring it close so that you can see. I'll open it, and there is an envelope
Yay.
inside. Okay, there is an envelope inside this. So I had taken the photo, kept it inside this envelope yesterday morning, and as you can see, it's all sealed. See, it's all sealed. All the edges are closed.
Mhm.
So I will open it now.
If it's a ticket, I should have been the volunteer.
No, so just to show, this is the photo that I had taken, which you are seeing on the iPad.
Oh.
Just as another convincer that it was indeed taken yesterday. Can you see?
Mhm. Yeah, I can see that.
It's the same photo. So I had taken, because it is digital, I thought I will take a printout also. So I influenced you to think about Paris today.
Seriously, Shine, you did.
Hope you guys
Awesome.
enjoyed.
That
Awesome.
was mind blowing, Shine.
Awesome.